Homeroom Guidance Program or HGP for Role Mates. Directions. Recall and write your roles and responsibilities at home, school, and in the community inside the balloons. Find a partner with the same roles, then discuss how fulfilling these roles contributes to your well-being and the well-being of others. Directions. Provide a word that represents each letter in the acronym RESPECT. R-E-S-P-E-C and T. Let's earn respect. E is for engage in talking about ideas and actions that can improve the interaction at home. A is for allot time to listen to the message of your family members to understand them better. R is for respect and accept opinions and beliefs of everyone in the family. N is for nurture helping hand for others. Then respect. For the letter R, remember to watch your words and actions always. E. Express kindness and care always. S. Show concern to the feelings of your family. P. Participate in family activities and in doing household chores. Of course. Letter E. Engage in open communication all the time. C. Calm yourself if you're getting angry or agitated. And letter D. Treat yourself and others with respect.